What's up guys? I want to do a quick unboxing video of my new helmet that just came in the mail today, which is the Royal H01 helmet, retro style. Made more for a scrambler, but I like the way this one looks, and I wanted to change up my kind of direction so far. Let's go right into it. So, this just came in. So yeah, here it is after the Amazon box here. Royal H01 retro kind of scrambler helmet, full face. I got the extra large in matte black. So let's go right ahead and see what's inside the box. I can get it open here. Alright, so inside the box here we have pretty decent padding here for traveling, and here it is inside. Well, just one styrofoam padding sheet just for sake of travel, but it seems the packaging seems pretty alright. And the helmet itself. Here it is here. Again, I got the matte black Royal H01 extra large helmet. Looks pretty sweet, awesome. I want to change the style I have. I currently have my white kind of cafe racer helmet, and I like the way this one looks. So again, I got this pretty nice like scrambler, rustic looking, and I thought it came with little hood visor here for the shield, but I must have read wrong. I can order one that would fit into this 3-clip prong on the top, but honestly this looks pretty sweet. And on top of this I also got tinted chrome visors in here to match the vibe of it. I was really contemplating on getting just a tinted goggles for it, but I ended up getting this chrome one to make it look more, I guess, aggressive look towards it. So I got these goggles here that would match the helmet here. And I believe on the back, yeah, on the back here you can see there's a little clip in the back where you can put in the goggles in the front and attach it towards the back here so it doesn't come off when you're riding. Let me see. Yeah, so if you go up here, and it should be able to clip in. Strap a little thick. Get it. There it is. Yeah, and then that is the helmet here. Very kind of retro style. Let's see if it fits actually. But yeah, I thought that's all of it comes in the box. Just the helmet itself. Actually, I thought it would come with, you know, their own set of goggles and the visor here, but just the helmet itself. But let me just see how it fits right now. There it is. Yeah, so I got the extra large, and this one seems to fit pretty well. My other helmet there was also an extra large, but for some reason it's very loose on my head, especially when I start riding. That's also one of the reasons why I got the second helmet, but extra large in this feels a lot better. What are your guys' thoughts, huh? Looks pretty sweet. I like it. But yeah, I am planning on purchasing a black tinted screen visor over here on the top of it, just to finish the aesthetic of it. But yeah, so far, a new helmet here, the Royal H01 extra large matte black. I do believe they come in white and also gloss black, but I preferred this retro looking matte black. But yeah, that's the whole video here. I thought it'd be a lot more. In the box, as you can see, there's nothing else in here. Yeah, that's everything here, guys. Thank you for keeping up with my channel. Here's more of a up close of the helmet here, and I'll get some clips of me riding with it, so you guys can see how it looks like on my bike. As you can see, partially matches the red potentially, but mostly like the black on the side, and also I have a new black jacket that I can wear with it. But yeah, this is the new helmet. I'll just show some clips now of me riding with it on my bike. So catch you guys.